Well, hi guys, how are you doing? Um, so most of you asked me the time frames to use on the strategy that I shared. So I'm here to clarify the things that I talked about in the previous video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Um, also share to your friends and everyone that you'd like to share this knowledge to because it's very powerful. So the strategy that I shared, you can use it to swing trade, scalp the market, and get quick profits every day. I told you cannot lack to get a trade every day. You cannot. It's impossible for you to not enter the market every day. Yeah, you just have to be disciplined. Yes, it works, but you have to be disciplined and follow rules. Don't over risk. Apply proper risk management because we don't see it get rich overnight. We are here to make consistent profits every day. That's how you're going to stay in the market. Okay. When you lose one trade, you can enter another one. If you lose that one, you can enter. You never know, the third one could be the winner that is going to make you recover the losses. So don't stop trying and let's all keep winning. I want to make sure that everyone makes money in this year. Okay. So market structure. So when you open up a chart, this market is going to the upside. We're on a daily time frame, and we want to get. You need to understand one thing, that the market structure is different in every time frame. The daily it might be bullish. When you go on the M5, it might be bearish. So for us to make the entries, we need to consider what the market structure is doing in that certain time frame. For example, if you want to get an entry in a daily time, if you want to swing trade, you can get an entry in a daily time frame, considering the daily time frame structure. So here you can see the market was breaking highs. So meaning we shall need a daily retracement and a daily breakout for us to swing trade. So you would have entered on this candle over here, and then you'd have taken that market to the upside. That's when you want to swing trade. Yeah. You ask me about time frames, you enter in the time frame you want. Yeah, you just need to identify the market structure in that time frame, and then you enter according to the things I told you. So when you look at the daily time frame over here, the market was busy breaking highs. So for you to enter, you'll need a daily an H4 retracement, and then you'll need this trend line to be broken for you to enter your trades. Okay, then you also have H4 retracement, and then H4 break of the trend line, and the market went to the upside. And then also here market broke the trend line and went to the upside. Just need to identify your retracement. Okay, we had this retracement. Market took out that liquidity, trend line liquidity, and went to the upside. There was also an entry here. So imagine if you are making the entries on every time the market does this. You just have to concentrate on one time frame and then wait for the retracement and the break of the trend line, and then you make those entries. Very simple. Okay, and of recent, you have just gotten this buy. There's a buy here. So you'd have taken that buy, and the market is going to continue going to the upside. I think you're seeing. So now, if you are looking at H4, you look at the H4. You need to get an H4 retracement, and then an H4 break of trend line, and then market has continued to the upside. That's when you want to swing your trades. So imagine here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want to teach you something. Imagine you had $100, and then on the first entry over here, you went full margin, and also here, if you open 20 positions here, what you do is open 20 positions again here, and also 20 positions here, and also 20 positions here. Okay, another 20 positions here, another 20 positions here, another 20. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 20 times 7, that's 140 positions. And this is gold, my friends. So one trade can change your life. One trade, just one trade. Just get that one pair and kill it big time. Okay, just have to risk some amount and then make a lot of money. No one is going to teach you these things. Absolutely no one, because not a lot of people know it. So let's look at how the market was selling, breaking lows, and we had to get that trend line breakout to the downside. Then boom, you'd have gotten those two positions. Yeah. So now we looked at that daily, and then we looked at we looked at the H4. Let us look at the H1. H1. It's the same thing. The H1 is breaking highs. H1 is breaking highs. You need an H1 retracement. An H1 retracement, and then you enter the market accordingly. Remember, the stop losses are always below on these lows. Yeah. After that breakout, stop losses are always on these lows. So let's have a look at how you'd have entered this. You'd have taken that market to the upside. Simple. Very simple and precise. Yeah. So we have looked at the H1. Let's now look at M30. Okay. Let's go in those time frames where you can scalp. Let's go to M15 or M5, and you see what the M5 is doing. M5 is breaking highs. So what you'd have done, you'd have just scalp. Look at this. It's very powerful. Very powerful. Trust me. Everything I share here, I've ever used it, and I still do to make money. Look at this. I think I can use the M5 to scalp the market. Just you'd have already had 1, 2, 3, 4 positions, and imagine you had your $100 that you are going full margin. It would be a lot of money. I don't know why you ain't making money. I'm sure with the things that I share with you, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. I want you to look at this. Look at this. Come on, guys. Don't complicate the market. It's very easy to trade. And in trading, the more things you know, the more stupid you become. So just concentrate on certain concepts and stick to those ones and make money. Okay. Now let's look at the H1. You can make absolutely entries in every time frame. M1. Okay. Let's look at around here. M1 was breaking highs, and boom, buys started. Okay. buys started. Uh, buys, guys. This thing is so powerful that I first hesitated to share it, but I was like, let me share it with people so that they can also make something in the market. This is the simplest strategy that you'll ever understand, that anyone can ever teach you. First of all, you don't have to wait for days to get an entry. You get an entry absolutely every day. Okay? Absolutely every day you get an entry. And it doesn't, you don't have to wait for a lot of confirmations. Yeah? It's not complicated, guys. It's not complicated. Just stick to the rules and make money. Stick to the rules and make money, guys. Don't joke. Everything I share is powerful because I do use these things. Okay? I do use them. I think you can see. You see entries everywhere. You open it, you just see entries everywhere. Okay? This thing is powerful. So, are you saying that in this impulsive leg, you'd have made entries in lower time frames and just people would just be seeing buys without knowing why the buys are there? Yet you're just using a very small concept. Simple, very simple concept. I know some people are going to start charging people, going to teach them these things, but I'm sharing it for free. So, guys, go make money and change your life. Life is short, don't spend it broke. I wish you the best.